Story 47. A Padshah was casting a glance of contempt upon a company of dervishes, and one of them understanding his sagacity, the meaning of it said, "O king, in this world we are inferior to thee in dignity, and in the resurrection superior to thee. Though the master of a country may have enjoyment, and the dervish may be in need of bread, in that hour when both of them will die, they will take from the world not more than a shroud. When thou takest thy departure from the realm, it will be better to be a mendicant than a padshah." Externally, the dervish shows a patched robe and a shaved head, but in reality, his heart is living and his lust dead. He does not sit at the door of tents away from people to fight against them if they oppose him, because when a millstone rolls from a mountain, he is not an arif who gets out of the way of the stone. The way of the dervishes is praying, gratitude, service, obedience, almsgiving, contentment, professing the unity of God, trust, submission, and patience. Whoever possesses these qualities is really a dervish, although he may wear an elegant robe, whereas a prattler who neglects his orisons is luxurious, sensual, turns day into night, in the bondage of lust, and night into day, in the sleep of carelessness, and eats whatever he gets, and speaks whatever comes upon his tongue, is a profligate, although he may wear the habit of a dervish. O thou whose interior is denuded of piety, but wearest outwardly the garb of hypocrisy, do not display a curtain of 7 colors. Thou hast reed mats inside thy house. And prayer in Persian or Iranian or whatever your word is for that race, and Arab or Semitic languages, it's not just, oh, you say something religious. It's more than that, right? And these bodily actions that are part of that become more real world outside of the ritual.